Do you wake up, drink coffee, go to work, and repeat?
That sounds like me. Today, let's talk about your daily routine in English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Studio. I'm Anna.
And I'm Paul. I am still waiting for my morning coffee.
Today, we will learn how to talk about your daily routine in simple English.
Yes, you will learn new words, sentences, and a mini conversation.
So, are you ready?
Let's begin.
First, let's learn some daily routine vocabulary. Repeat after me.
Wake up.
Get up.
Take a shower.
Have breakfast.
Go to work.
Study.
Cook dinner.
Go to bed. Great job! Anna, what time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. What about you, Paul?
I wake up at 9 a.m. I like sleep.
Viewers, what time do you wake up? Tell us in the comments. Now let's learn some useful sentences. Repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I go to school.
I have lunch at noon.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I relax in the evening.
Anna, what do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and watch a TV show.
Nice. I play games. Viewers, what do you do in the evening? Write below.
Let's practice a mini story. Imagine Anna and Paul are roommates. Scene: the kitchen, morning. Good morning, Paul. What time did you wake up?
Good morning, Anna. I woke up at 8:30.
You're late again.
I know. I need coffee.
Do you brush your teeth first or eat breakfast first?
Breakfast first, always.
I brush my teeth first.
Viewers, what about you? Brush first or breakfast first? Comment below.
Let's practice pronunciation. Say this sentence slowly.
I wake up early.
Good. Now,
I go to bed late.
when you speak, relax, smile.
And don't worry, you sound great.
Okay, students, quiz time. I say a routine, you say the action.
Ready?
When you open your eyes in the morning, what do you do? Wake up.
When you clean your teeth?
Brush my teeth.
When you finish the day?
Go to bed.
Great job!
Now listen to Paul's daily routine story.
I wake up at 8 a.m. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast, toast and coffee. I go to work. I finish work at 5 p.m. I relax and watch TV. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Very simple. Now, viewers, write your routine in the comments. Let's review and recap.
Vocabulary: wake up, brush teeth, have breakfast, go to school, go to work, relax, go to bed.
Sentences: I wake up at 7. I go to work. I relax in the evening.
You did great today.
Thank you for learning with us today at Daily English Studio.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and comment below.
Practice your English by writing your daily routine.
We love reading your answers.
See you next time.